Bat Trident Mini Multi-Tool as a bring almost anywhere tool for your next serious adventure. I'm Tom, the creator of the original Bring Anywhere tool, or Batcoin for short, which was successfully funded here on Kickstarter just last year. We designed the Trident with your feedback about the original coin to be larger, sharper, and provide more leverage. These changes mean that the Trident is not TSA compliant, but the trade-off is you get a ton of other possibilities from a compact package. It's the ultimate minimalist multi-tool that can be attached to a backpack, belt, or live in your pocket, so you'll never forget it. The Trident includes a Phillips head driver, a sharp scribe point, razor edge, a captured cutter, a bottle opener, a fire starter rod attached with O-rings, a ruler, a 3M Solas reflector, a wire stripper, fire rod scraper, saw edge, and a flathead driver scraper. After several months in development, all the legwork is done. Our factory does great work for a variety of knife companies you've heard of, and their processes are top-notch, grinding to heat treat to precision molding on the Kydex sheath. Now, we need your help to put the Bat Trident into production and into your EDC. If you like what you've seen so far, be sure to check out all the details on the page below. Thank you for your support.
Maintaining our appearance throughout the day keeps us happy and confident. We all have those busy lives, balancing work, family, or even our daily routine. When there's a hangnail or hair that needs to be plucked, you want it gone now. Hi, my name is Ty. I'm the creator of ESSA-Go, the world's first anytime nail and tweezing styler. As a nail blighter myself, I wanted something that was quick and convenient to keep my nails clean. Normal nail kits are cheap, bulky, and get lost. When I was 18, I created the first ESSA-Go in my dorm room using a soldering iron, tin snips, and bolt cutters. ESSA-Go has 420 stainless steel and a nylon-based polymer, with soft-to-the-touch rubber to keep everything quality and compact. ESSA-Go's patent-pending design sets it apart from any other styler or tool on the market. The nail clippers are extremely durable, razor thin, and easy to clean. All you do is push down on the oval on top, extend. To put back in the shell, press down gently and slide back in the shell. The handmade slanted tweezers have a perfectly aligned 25-degree angle for high definition brows. It also has a magnet and a ballpoint to make sure the tweezers don't get lost in any bag or drawer. ESSA-Go is fully compliant with TSA regulations. The 180 grit nail file is perfect for smoothing out those rough edges. It also includes a tip to get any dirt under your fingernails. To use, all you do is open up ESSA-Go. Find the no break dial, wheel it out, and close. Our multi-purpose curved scissors are perfect for that dreaded tag or any dead skin. To use, open up ESSA-GO, put your finger on the no break dial, then put your finger on top of the scissors, and just snip. The half moon cuticle pusher is designed with the right angle to sculpt your cuticles. All you do is open up ESSA-GO, find the no break dial and pull out the cuticle pusher. Close ESSA-GO. The cuticle nippers are the tool we designed the most. So normal cuticle nippers, well, they're actually made to tear and rip. We changed all that. First off, it stops at the exact place you want it to be. Also, we drop down the angle in the cutting so it clips instead of tears. You and your nails are special. We believe your nail care should be too. We need your help to fund the first production run of ESSA-GO. For your support, you'll be the first one to own an ESSA-GO. Let's make on the go and style one.